All right, Tony, thank you. So hospitals, colleges, performing arts venues, could restaurants be next? More and more places are requiring proof of vaccination before entry.
So could restaurants be next? Fox 61's Matt Caron talked to people on both sides of this issue. He joins us now live from West Hartford. Matt.
Yeah, that's right, guys. We're here on Restaurant Row here in West Hartford. You know, we talked to diners, but we also talked to Governor Lamont today. And you might remember, at the beginning of the pandemic, Governor Lamont, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo sounded very similar. They took a regional coordinated approach to how they were going to handle a lot of policies throughout this pandemic. But just within the last couple of weeks, they have taken very different tones. Today, Governor Cuomo recommending to private businesses that they require proof of vaccination just for admission. Governor Lamont saying that he wants no part of that. You now need to be vaccinated to see a show on Broadway.
I think the trend in performing arts now is to require proof of vaccination.
In Connecticut, the Westport Country Playhouse followed suit, requiring all visitors, staff, and performers to show proof of vaccination and wear masks when they're not on stage.
It's one of the worst places in the world for respiratory illnesses, are indoor spaces like theaters.
Dealing directly with the sick, many Connecticut hospital systems like Yale, St. Francis, and Hartford Healthcare are mandating the COVID vaccine. But run by the Eastern Connecticut Health Network, Manchester Memorial Hospital has not required it. It's where Maria Regina Villanueva works as an operating room nurse.
As of this time, I am not vaccinated as well, and it is by choice. But if they did mandate in the hospital that I work in that I should get vaccinated, then I am going to.
Could restaurants be the next entity to require proof of vaccination?
We're in the service industry, and last thing we want to do is try to tell people what they should or shouldn't do.
Dave Rutigliano agrees. He's a state rep and the owner of the SBC Restaurant Group.
I don't think it's the right position to put my employees and my staff in to check people's medical records.
Restaurants who already have to ID people for alcohol told Fox 61 it might be easier if there were a state law or mandate to point to. But Governor Lamont indicated he's leaving it up to the restaurants.
There's some restaurants that say, I'd like to see if you've been vaccinated or not. I feel more comfortable, and my customers do. I think that's good enough for now.
Now, Governor Lamont also had the option to follow Governor Cuomo when it came to creating a vaccine passport system, something that he told me today he does not regret not doing, saying that people just got, quote, too jumpy about it. We're live here in West Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61.